Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, welcomes you all in the class 12th. Today we will study the chapter number 2, Lost Spring, from the Flamingo book. Already in the part 1 of chapter number 2, we discussed about the Sahib. We discussed about the poverty. I was cleared you about what kind of the child, and Sahib was a very poor child, and the title of the story was there, Sometimes I Find a Rupee. So in that story I cleared you all the things about the aspects of poverty, and here now today we are having the part 2. Part 2 is here, I want to drive a car. I want to drive a car is here. We will have the discussion about the child labor. Child labor, main description is there. Author describes, she tells about the Mukesh. Mukesh was the main character in this, you can say, topic. Mukesh wants to become his own master. Mukesh told to the author that I want to drive a car, and I want to drive a car so that because in this story the peoples were there, the peoples used to belong from the Firozabad. Firozabad is a place, very famous place, where the peoples used to make the bangles, and the bangle work is there, and especially all the family peoples used to engage in the same work. So Mukesh destiny, you can say, or you can say Mukesh way is somewhere different. He don't want to engage himself in the same kind of the business what his parents already busy, or they are continue with that thing only. So in the same thing is discussion of the Mukesh with the author, and she told to the author that I don't want to be a continue that work what the peoples and the ladies, women's, men's, everybody along with the even the small even children's also indulge in the same things. So when the author visited Mukesh's house, so Mukesh's house, she saw the condition was very poor and very stinky, and hot weather atmosphere was there. Their houses were totally dark, very dim light were there, and only on that dim light, the kind of the, you can say, the light is there, and on that lamps the peoples were doing work. So she saw in that time period the author's mother, and along with that the granddaughter, name is there Sabita. She was also busy in the same thing, and in that time period when the author had the conversation with that author's mother, so Mukesh's mother told her very, you can say, proudly way that I have two sons along with my husband, and now I have this granddaughter also, and the kind of that is there. So they all are busy in the same thing. So, and somewhere the author was thinking that that small girl is there, when the time will come she'll grown up, and the time is there she just become a bride. So in that time period her eyes totally lost, gone, because already grandmother told ki since as per the forefathers we are busy in the same thing. So other author asks them, why you people not change your business as such, so why you not changing the things. So she describes, Mukesh's mother told, it is not going to be like that, because if we'll do like this, somewhere the peoples are there from very higher classes, or the offices, respected offices like police in charges and all, somewhere they will just clear us as a criminal. This was only the excuse. Somewhere they were not had the courage to speak up against the things what they are doing in the same thing, and that is why they are somewhere having the unawareness, or you can say insecurity also, when they'll change the business what is going to happen with them. So somewhere it was very sad. So but the Mukesh's mother told, my husband, what he can secure, what he can preserve. He can provide us only the one roof, and even already, my dear students, I told you what kind of that roof. Even there were no proper light, no proper system is there, but only the thing is there. One is kind of the tarpaulin thing is there, when the whole family is standing, and the one side there Mukesh's elder brother's wife, she cooks food, and there were you can say, due to that one, what they are doing, and that the atmosphere is totally very unpleasant. But anyhow, now Mukesh discuss with the author. Somewhere I don't want to be continue with this. Already, my dear students, I told you Savita was a young girl, and wrapping dress she want to wear, and along that the woman she used to sit, and she used to busy in that kind of the work is there. But now when the author used to ask, why not organize yourself into a cooperative? So they asked, if we will do like that, then the any middleman or any people used to trap us, and they used to scold us, and even their fathers are tired, and they are also tired, so they don't want to change their track as such. So after listening them, the author told the somewhere I twist that this family used to caught onto the same web kind of the poverty. I think you understand the web is there when the spider is there to describe that web. So this family is there, Mukesh family is there, along with this family, all those families is also tracking on the same kind of the web, and they also don't want to come off that kind of the web. Why? Because till the time the person will not do any effort, that person would not come off that the child labor. As per the grandparents, then the parents, and then the children's, and then it would come as the scene of the child labor. So this scene is continue over there. So finally, what was the discussion? The discussion was there. Author want to insist them, you can change, but they said no, it is not there. If we will do like any kind of the act, they will put us at the behind the bar. So Mukesh accept all the things what Mukesh was also listening the discussion with that woman, with the author. So Mukesh accepted then somewhere their father, and they all had a kind of the dare, all kind of having the dare, and that is why somewhere. But when the author is telling, when I saw there, I sense a flash it in the Mukesh cheered himself, and he very clear and very loud voice, he said, I want to be a motor mechanic, and he want to repair the motors and all, and he had a dream also. So author asked him, do you want to fly a plane also? So he said no, because there is a no proper space in my street or my place where I used to stay. I would just to content only to dream only of the car. And then he had not yet turned into the regret. In the same way, he just cleared and very assured somewhere that he would like to just drive, or he want to drive a car only. So this was the end of the story, my dear students. In the both of the part 1 and part 2, we had the discussion only about main thing, that was the poverty. Because poverty is a thing, poverty is a scene. In that situation, in that condition, somewhere peoples are somewhere totally forcefully, or totally they had no way to find out such a things that as per their caliber they can do the wonders. If you can go through by the previously Saib's thinking, Saib was very quite intelligent, he had a dreams, but somewhere due to his poverty he had to continue with his parents business. What were there to find out the things in the garbage. Here we can see also somewhere in the Mukesh family is also here. Mukesh family is the same kind of the family, busy in the same kind of the thing. That was the thing is there, the bangle making. And bangle making, all the family is indulged in the same kind of the thing. Somewhere Mukesh had a dream to drive a car. So please go through by this chapter and do all the NCERT questions in your fair notebook. Thank you.
Do self study. at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.